Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A6825. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe in those close-quarter parking lot situations. You have chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. GMC bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.